Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to fix Windows activation error 0xC004F213. Windows is not activated, so let's start. First, let's go to our bar and then just write activation settings, okay? In my case it's in Spanish, as you can see. And then, well, in this part, as you can see, my Windows is okay. In case that you don't have activate this on Windows, here appears the option troubleshoot. You have to press there and then you have to change it. So in that way you can, well, start fixing this problem if you have it. So that is the way that you can do it. Then when it's done, well, appears the option for connecting your Windows. So it's very easy to do, but well, here appears, remember, here appears the option troubleshoot for solve this problem. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.